Have you no idea how your happy brown eyes can lure me to the gates of joy without fear? Your so gentle voice softens my heart and fills its void. The soft touch of your warm soul quiets the voices, the so dark thoughts that I might not be as beautiful as before. Your presence guarantees that in the dark my beauty still glows. Daylight comes, you compliment my charm without words. I know the warmth of my hands on your skin probably keeps everything inside you warm. So tell me you have no idea. Tell me you don't know how our souls touch before our bodies know.